Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to do a lead line and bass line breakdown for you. So this is what you're going to learn at the end of this video. So friends, what I was playing was very simple. So before I show you the tutorial and the breakdown, if you know you need a private class, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I do a private class now. And also if you need the beats, you can also chat me. Or if you want me to create a beat for you, you can chat me on WhatsApp. I can create any beats of your choice, anyone you want. So this is how it goes. The bass line I was playing is do so so so, do so so so, si so so so, si so so do so so so, si. So so do do, so so de de, so so do do. That's very simple. So so de de, so so do do, so so. Then my lead. Just like this. Stand. Do mi so re, si re so re. Do mi so re, si re so re. That's what I'm playing. Do mi so re, si re so re. Do mi so re, si re so re. Let me take the camera a little bit here. I'm playing on F sharp in case you are confused. I'm playing on F sharp. my saw and my la. That was my saw and my la. Friends, what I was playing is somehow simple and might hard for some people, but I've shown you some of the lead that I'm playing. Most of you do watch my video, but you don't like and you don't comment, which is not good and not proper. You have to be supporting Jeromekeys music. You have to just be liking. If you want to support, you just like and comment, and you can also comment the song you want me to do for you. Because if I should see, I'm seeing all of your comments, and if I should see that you list a song that is reasonable, I might do the breakdown and post. So you have to be liking my videos and commenting. Just tell me what you don't understand, and if you need an advanced tutorial and advanced breakdown of what I'm playing, you can chat me on WhatsApp. Or if you need a drum loop, this is a drum loop I created. I'm the one that created it. So just go now. Thanks for watching, friends. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment. Just drop a comment of what you want me to be doing for you guys. Just drop a comment and like. God bless you all.